But let's start right into the topic. First of all, I would just suggest you to try restarting your network adapters. How can we do that? First of all, just open your Windows search, type in Control Panel. As you can see, an app looking something like this. Just open it, and then, first of all, if it doesn't look like this, on the top right corner, click on or change this to View by Category, and then just open Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. And then, first of all, on the left-hand side, we can see 4 different links. We need to click on the second one that is called Change Adapter Settings. And then a window looking something like this should open, called Network Connections, with all our network adapters in it. And then just, doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. In my case, I'm using Ethernet. Right-click on your network adapter. In order to do this, you need to have administrator rights. Just note that, and just click on Disable. And then we can already check on the bottom right corner that our internet access is lost. And then, after we've waited a few seconds, we can already enable it again. Right-click on your adapter and click on Enable it again. And then this might take a few moments to just re-identify and reconnect to the network again. So don't worry. Perfect. Ethernet access is back. We can already close the network connections window. And then back in the Network and Sharing Center, click on this link at Connections here. Again, doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. And then just click on Properties. And in here, first of all, select Internet Protocol version 4. And again, click on Properties. And then make sure to down here use the following DNS server address as setting instead of obtain DNS server address automatically. And then for the preferred DNS server, type in 4 times D8, and for alternate DNS server 2 times D8 and 2 times the 4. You can also just quickly pause this video in order to type those in correctly. If you are wondering, this is the official Google DNS. So yeah. Then when you've typed those in correctly, click on OK, and also click on Close, and click on Close. And that's already it. That's how you can fix connection and server issues in Apex Legends. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.